You think you'll ever catch him?
It's gonna take some time, but we'll catch him.
I feel like such a fool. You were so right.
You're no fool, Allison.
Well, thanks to you. By the way, I booked my first big acting job. It's the lead in a picture.
Well, that's great. What's the part?
I'm playing a giant. The film is called Attack of the 50-Foot Woman.
Didn't I tell you you're gonna be a big star someday?
I really appreciate all the advice you gave me. It helped me learn a good lesson.
What's the lesson?
Well, I'm not sure, but I think it has something to do with not getting kicked in the ice hole.
What?
It doesn't matter. Thank you for everything, Detective Bacon.
Oh, please call me by my first name. Rajswich Krajeka.
Rajswich Krajeka.
Yeah.